Well, gee, what are we doing in the bathroom? We are going to clean one of these. Now, if you have one of these, I've actually cleaned this already, but I figure this would be good to do a video about just in case you have a micro SD. But it seems to work, but not really, because you have to keep bringing it in and out of the slot in order for it to recognize. It's probably because you have a little bit of tarnishing on the contacts. Cleaning one of these is actually really easy. There is a correct way to do this, and I'll show you how it's done. You need contact cleaner, Deoxit D5. This is as you can tell, an old can of it, but it still works. You need cotton bud, tissue, and the way it works is like this. Now, ordinarily, you would think, well, I don't want to get one of these wet. Well, if it's the proper contact cleaner, then it's okay. You just put a little bit of it on here. That's it. That's all you need. Oops. Take your cotton bud. Just go over the contacts. And you can see the whole thing is wet. That's okay. It's totally okay. It's not going to promote any tarnishing. You just do this for a few seconds until what should happen is that while you're doing this, this cotton bud will give just enough abrasiveness to get rid of the tarnishing on the contacts without ruining them. That's the whole point. And also, just so I can show this to you, dissolves corrosion, improves connection, protects surfaces, flushing action, and here's the big one right there, safe on plastic. So after we've done that, that's when I take the tissue, just dry it. Let me see if I can get that nice close up there. Yeah. And this did have tarnishing on it. And now it doesn't. Now this is good to go back in a Garmin or anything that you use a micro SD for.